Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best sewing machines for home use that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Brother FB1757X mechanical sewing machine. This is a budget-friendly option priced at just $99.99, making it ideal for beginners or casual sewing enthusiasts looking for an affordable yet functional machine. With 17 built-in stitches, a 4-step buttonhole, and a reverse button for reinforcing seams, this machine covers the basics for most everyday sewing tasks. The free arm design is also a plus for handling cuffs, sleeves, and other tricky areas, while the LED lighting ensures you have a clear view of your workspace. In terms of design, the Brother FB1757X is compact and lightweight, weighing only 9.1 pounds. This makes it easy to move around or store when not in use. While it lacks the bells and whistles of more advanced models, the build quality is solid, and the machine feels durable enough for regular use. Performance-wise, it handles basic fabrics well, but it might struggle with thicker materials or quilting projects. The straightforward controls make it beginner-friendly, but advanced users might find the feature set limiting. Overall, the FB1757X is a great value for its price point and is perfect for light-duty sewing or as a starter machine. However, if you're looking for more versatility or advanced features, you may want to consider investing in a higher-tier model. Pros include affordability, simplicity, and portability, while cons include limited stitch options and less power for heavy-duty tasks. At number 4, we have the Intrinsica handheld sewing machine. This portable, mini electric sewing machine is a unique option designed for quick repairs and on-the-go sewing. Its compact size of just 8.6 inches in length and lightweight build of 14.4 ounces make it ideal for travel, small spaces, or emergency fixes. It features dual power supply modes, USB, or 4 AA batteries, giving you flexibility whether you're at home or on the move. With 2 adjustable sewing speeds and the ability to handle fabrics up to 1.5 millimeters thick, this machine is surprisingly capable for its size. In terms of design, the Intrinsica mini machine is sleek and user-friendly, with one-button operation that simplifies sewing tasks. It's perfect for beginners who want an easy setup without the complexity of traditional sewing machines. However, its compact design does come with limitations. It's best suited for light repairs and small projects rather than large-scale sewing or quilting. The included accessory kit is a thoughtful addition, providing everything you need to get started right away, from replacement needles to scissors and pretters. While the Intrinsica handheld sewing machine is not a replacement for a full-featured device, it excels in portability and convenience. It's an excellent choice for users with busy lifestyles who need a quick and reliable sewing solution. Pros include its lightweight portability, simple operation, and versatility for small tasks. Cons are its limited power and inability to handle heavy-duty fabrics or complex projects. Coming in at number 3, we have the Singer M1150 portable sewing machine. Priced at $124, this machine offers a compact and stylish design that's perfect for home use, sewing classes, or smaller spaces like apartments. With 16 built-in stitches and 45 stitch applications, it provides plenty of versatility to tackle a wide range of sewing projects, from repairs to creative crafts. The user-friendly stitch selector dial and preset stitch length and width make operation smooth and intuitive, even for beginners. The 4-step buttonhole feature adds a professional touch to garments, while the free arm design allows for precise sewing on cuffs, sleeves, and other tight areas. The build quality of the Singer M1150 is excellent, with its lightweight frame making it easy to transport without compromising durability. Performance-wise, it handles most fabrics reliably, though it might not be ideal for heavy-duty materials like denim or thick quilting layers. The LED light is a thoughtful addition that illuminates the workspace and reduces eye strain during long sewing sessions. While it's not the most feature-packed machine, it strikes a great balance between simplicity and functionality. The Singer M1150 is ideal for users who value portability and ease of use. It's particularly suited for beginners or intermediate sewers who want a reliable machine for everyday projects. Pros include a clean design, versatile stitch options, and portability, while cons include limited capabilities for heavy-duty tasks and a slightly smaller stitch selection compared to other models at this price point. At number 2, we have the Brother XM2701 sewing machine. Priced at $129.99, this lightweight and full-featured machine is packed with 27 unique built-in stitches, including decorative, blind hem, zigzag, and stretch stitches. It also includes an auto-size buttonhole feature for added convenience. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin make setup a breeze, ensuring smooth operation for users of all skill levels. The XM2701 comes with a versatile free arm, making it perfect for sewing cuffs, sleeves, and other tight spaces. Additionally, it includes 6 sewing feet and an instructional DVD to help you get started. The design and build quality of the XM2701 are impressive for its price range. At just 12.6 pounds, it's easy to move and store without sacrificing durability. The machine performs admirably across a variety of fabrics, from lightweight cotton to medium-thick materials, though it may not be the best choice for heavy-duty tasks like quilting. The Brother at Your Side support adds value, offering free technical assistance for the life of the machine. Customer reviews consistently praise its reliability and user-friendly features, making it a top choice for beginners and intermediate sewers. If you're looking for a versatile yet affordable sewing machine, the Brother XM2701 is a fantastic option. Pros include its wide range of stitches, easy setup, and included accessories, while cons are its limited capabilities for thicker fabrics and quilting projects. It's best suited for everyday sewing tasks and creative projects. Finally, at number 1, we have the Brother Sewing and Quilting Machine XR3774. Priced at $174.97, this premium option offers unparalleled versatility and functionality for home use. With 37 built-in stitches, including decorative and quilting options, and a one-step buttonhole, this machine is a dream for users who want to explore creative possibilities. The automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin streamline setup, ensuring smooth operation every time. What sets this machine apart is its wide table, which makes quilting and larger projects much easier to handle. It also comes with 8 sewing feet and a machine cover, providing excellent value for the price. The XR3774 boasts a sturdy build and thoughtful design, weighing 15 pounds for added stability during use. It handles a wide range of fabrics effortlessly, from lightweight cotton to thicker layers needed for quilting. The free arm design expands its usability for sewing cuffs, sleeves, and other tricky areas, while the instructional DVD ensures beginners can get started quickly. Customer reviews highlight its reliability, versatility, and performance, making it a top-tier choice for both beginners and advanced users. The Brother XR3774 is ideal for those who want a feature-rich machine for diverse sewing and quilting projects. Pros include its wide table, extensive stitch selection, and included accessories, while cons are its higher price point and slightly heavier design. If you're serious about sewing and quilting, this machine is worth the investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.